welcome. My name's Christina and we're gonna go on another notation story adventure. I have a friend who's gonna help us today. Her name is Ellie. She is a pink elephant, and today we are going to go to a castle. When we get to the castle, we got invited because our friend said that she's gonna make some pancakes for us, but she told us that she needs some ingredients. So she sent us directions on how to get to her castle so we can help make the pancakes. Okay, so I'm gonna open our directions. Okay, so her directions are pretty clear, but in order to help us remember what we're gonna do to get there, let's review what we already know so far. So when we want to walk, we're going to use a quarter note, okay? Let's hear what that sounds like so that we remember. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Awesome! Okay, so another thing that we did before is the whole note, okay? And that is what we're going to use whenever we need to jump. Okay, let's try that out. 1, 2, here we go. Jump and hold it, jump and hold it, jump and hold it, jump and hold it. Good job. Okay, so now we have one new thing to help us move in our notation story today, and that is the half note. Okay, the half note is going to be used whenever we want to take a big step. Let's hear what that sounds like. 1, 2, here we go. Big step, big step, big step, big step. Amazing. I have written out our instructions so that we know where we're going. Do you see the castle? Whew, and we're starting way over here. I filled in the walks already, but I'm going to need your help when we get to certain places, knowing how many jumps and or big steps we're going to need when we come across certain things. Are you guys ready to go on this adventure? Awesome. Okay, so the first thing I see up is 4 walks. So let's go ahead and do that. Either get your real piano ready or your pretend piano that I have linked in the description box below. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Okay, so the first thing on our directions list, she also said that we need forks. She doesn't have any. So let's see. We have, oh, but with these forks, we don't want to get poked, right? So maybe we should use a big step to step over the forks and grab them. How many big steps, let's see what that looks like, do we need to get over the forks? Yeah, I see 4 forks. Let's do 4 big steps. I'm gonna write that in for us. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Okay, so now let's start all the way from the beginning, adding our walks and our big steps together. Okay? 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Big step, big step, big step, big step. Amazing, we made it across the forks and we got all of them that we needed. So, according to my directions, it says that we need to go and get some batter from the batter swamp. Okay, so I see 4 walks to get to batter swamp. Are you ready? Let's try it. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Okay, we've made it to batter swamp. But how are we going to get across? That's right, we're going to use the jump and hold it. So we're going to use the whole note to get across. So now we have to determine how many jump and hold it's we're gonna need to get across the swamp. So I see that there's some skillets already waiting in the batter. So let's see, how many do we need? How many jump and hold it's do we need? Exactly, we need 2. I'm gonna write those in for us, okay? So we're gonna get 1, 2. Okay, pretty clear. Let's go all the way from the beginning and add that much together. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. Walk, 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 walk. Big step, big step, big step, big step. Walk, 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 walk. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Whew. Okay, we made it across the battered swamp and we have enough batter to make some pancakes. Okay, so according to the directions, it says now we need to go to the blueberry bush and grab some blueberries. Okay, let's take our 4 walks and get to the blueberry bush. 1, 2, ready, go. Walk, 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 walk. So, I was reviewing the directions and she says that we need as many blueberries are ready to be picked. But she said, be careful because there's a lot of blueberries on the floor and if we step on them, they'll get all over our shoes and she doesn't want blueberry juice all over her castle. So, we're gonna have to take big steps to get through the blueberry bush to make sure that there's no blueberry juice on her shoes. Okay, so if we need all the blueberries, how many big steps are we going to need to gather all the blueberries? Let's see, can you count how many blueberries are on our blueberry bush? Exactly, we need 6. Okay, so I'm gonna turn these blueberries into half notes, okay? So we need 6 half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, can we go all the way from the beginning until we get to the blueberries? Are you guys ready? Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. Walk, 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 walk. Big step, big step, big step, big step. Walk, 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 walk. Jump and hold it. Jump and hold it. Walk, 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 walk. Big step, big step, big step, big step, big step, big step. Whew! We gathered all the blueberries. We totally have enough to make these blueberry pancakes. Okay, so the last thing before we get to the castle, my friend said that we have to walk to the Syrup River. Okay, I see 4 walks on our map. Let's go. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Okay, so I see the Maple River and we're gonna need to get across, but I don't think a big step is going to be enough to get across. But I see 1 blueberry left in the Maple River to help us get across. So can we use that blueberry to jump across the Maple River? Yeah? Okay. Whew. So let's go all the way from the very beginning to cross the Maple River to get to the castle. This will be our last time. Are you guys ready? Okay. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, 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 walk. Big step, big step, big step, big step. Walk, 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 walk. Jump and hold it, jump and hold it. Walk, 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 walk. Big step, big step, big step, big step, big step, big step. Walk, 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 walk. Jump and hold it, and we made it to the castle. Good job, everybody. Okay, so now I have my pancakes right here. Just gonna get that maple syrup from our, there we go. Can you make your own notation story at home? Who are you gonna be? Where are you gonna go on your adventure? Can you try using the big step? Okay, well, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.